Caring for plants can be tricky, especially for new gardeners. This is why in our video by the Daily Eco, we highlight the 7 most common mistakes in orchid care. So let's get started. Wrong substrate. Using regular soil may suffocate orchid roots. Instead, choose a substrate with good drainage, like loose soil and gravel, or just bark. Overwatering. Overwatering can expose orchids to fungal and bacterial threats. Orchids don't require daily watering. Excess moisture can lead to root issues, rot, and the plant demise. So, water the substrate when it's nearly dry. Planting it in a transparent pot makes it easy to understand water needs. Green roots indicate sufficient water, while whitish roots signal the need for watering due to dryness. Choosing the wrong pot. Selecting the right pot is crucial for your orchid's well-being. Ensure the pot has excellent drainage with large holes at the base. Opt for a pot that prevents direct contact between the substrate, roots, and drainage water. Excessive humidity can lead to waterlogging, harming your orchid. A transparent pot is advisable, as roots function better with light exposure. Transplanting during flowering. While orchids benefit from transplantation, it's crucial to avoid doing so during the flowering stage. Transplanting during this period may weaken the plant, making it challenging to maintain the health of its flowers as it adapts to the new pot. The optimal time for orchid transplantation is before the end of winter. But before we continue, let's put you to a test. Do you know how many species of orchids exist? 10,000, 15,000, 25,000. So, have you made your choice? The correct answer is C. There are approximately 25,000 known and documented species of orchids. Improper placement. While orchids thrive in good lighting, direct sunlight can be harmful. Conversely, insufficient light in a location will hinder their development and flowering. So, ensure they are positioned in a well-lit area without direct sunlight. Incorrect or excessive fertilization. Use a specific orchid fertilizer containing nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium to stimulate growth and flowering. Follow the fertilizer instructions and avoid excessive use. Over-fertilization can lead to leaf burns due to an excess of minerals. Ignoring species-specific needs. While there are general care guidelines for orchids, each species has unique requirements. When acquiring an orchid, it's crucial to research its specific care needs and ensure you can meet them within your home conditions. Well, that's it for today. Let us know in the comments if you own an orchid plant yourself. And until next time.